Anybody who tells me they started an exercise program and then I hear they've got like a long commute to the gym, or they gotta like check with their wife first before they head to the gym, it's like, oh, that's gonna fail. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective beyond what a lot of influencers have who have a sports performance background. Today, I want to talk about the fit lifestyle. So there's a lot going into being fit other than just, you lift weights and you eat right. Like, you have to arrange your entire life around having that be a regular part of it. So like, anybody who tells me they started an exercise program and then I hear they've got like a long commute to the gym, or they gotta like check with their wife first before they head to the gym, it's like, oh, that's gonna fail. Like, you need to first look at the landscape of your life and figure out, by looking at that, how you're gonna fit stuff in, your workouts and your nutrition, that will have the least amount of friction. The least amount of friction with your romantic relationships, friendships, work, kids, the dog, like all of that stuff. You need to be able to get it done. And there's an expression I threw out over the weekend. I was having dinner with my buddy Jaquish. I said, hey, if you're a seal, your breathing matches the waves. So if you ever watch a seal, the wave comes over them, they just hold their breath every time the wave comes over them. So it's like, you need to be a master of your environment. You need to look at the landscape and say, okay, if I work out in the morning on this day, this day, and this day, probably nothing will get in my way. And if it does, I'll be able to take care of it and get the workouts done. Then when it comes to nutrition, I've done videos before on, you want to eat the same thing every day. It doesn't mean you have to eat the same thing every day, but you want to leave the option open for certain days where you can just, whether it's going to be like 6 eggs and a pound of ground beef or something like that, always have that, because that way, that becomes your nutrition. You know what all the macros are, and that it meets up with all your requirements. You get the right amount of fats, you get the right amount of protein. So you want to make it so that the chances of screwing it up are very low when it comes to your behavior and willpower. And other people can't screw it up either, because other people love to screw up your workout. I mean, they're just trying to get you to do their stuff. Like, it doesn't mean there's a conspiracy. But ultimately, you just have to figure out how to be like the seal. When you're a seal, your breathing matches the waves. So that's the mindset you have to have. And I think that mindset is as invincible as possible and will have you most consistent. And of course, you'll hear every athlete say consistency is the most important thing, because like, if you end up skipping a week of working out, well, now you got a setback. So that's the kind of thing you need to focus on. Also got a question about Tiki Man. So somebody was asking, so the tradition is we steal this, my fraternity, we all steal this from each other. And obviously the alumni are still involved, because I'm long graduated and I'm still stealing Tiki Man. And yes, we actually break into each other's homes to steal Tiki Man. And no, my wife is not happy about this. And coincidentally, no wives are happy about the idea that we all break into each other's homes. But when somebody says, wait, so there's like 1,000 people who have been in your fraternity since the 1960s, and they all basically just have the right to break in and steal this? And I'm like, yeah, but they're all like friends. I don't know. My wife was not impressed. I think it's cool. I hope all this information helped. Leave me a comment and I'll answer any questions you have. Thank you.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm going to put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're going to help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.